Today we're going to announce the winner of the Morel Ardon premium speaker kits and so much more. Stay tuned. If you happen to miss it, Dayton Audio recently received Commercial Integrator's 2022 Best Audio Distribution System Award for the DAX 88 Matrix Amplifier. Congratulations, Dayton Audio. The DAX 88 delivers the new standard of the multi-zone Wi-Fi audio experience, powered by the comprehensive and straightforward to use control app, Matrio. If you'd like to know more about the DAX 88 Matrix Amplifier, check out partsexpress.com. Now is a great time to be thinking about outdoor speakers. Often the process of getting started can be more difficult than actually doing it, so we put together a short video that walks you through the things to think about when designing your outdoor listening area. Watch the video, make some choices, and get started upgrading. The summer is waiting. Parts Express would like to welcome Polk Audio. For more than 50 years, Polk Audio has delivered great audio at a great price to tens of thousands of customers. Based in the United States, Polk Audio products are designed and engineered in-house and have received numerous awards and patents over the years. Polk Audio is, and always has been, focused on giving you the absolute best sound for your money and believes in great sound for all. See more from Polk Audio on our website, partsexpress.com. Last month, our giveaway was for 2 Morel Ardon premium speaker kits, giving the winner a pair to build and customize for wherever they need great audio. The winner of that giveaway is going to be Scott Yu from Wyoming, Michigan. Big congratulations to Scott. We'll be in touch soon. Since we're highlighting outdoor speakers, Dayton Audio is giving away a 4-inch pendant outdoor speaker system this month. If you want to enter to win, head over to the giveaway page and fill out the form. Good luck to all who enter. We'll see you next month.